Yes, my parents, dear parents, we have our alumni student with us who will welcome all of you. I request Jennifer to come to here.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jennifer, and I'm honored to be here back at Mapleville as an alumnus. Firstly, I'd like to welcome our esteemed guests, teachers, parents, and most importantly, our young athletes. Today is a special day, a day to showcase our skills, teamwork, talent, and sportsmanship. It's a day to make new memories, to cheer for our friends, and to have fun. As someone who has been in your shoes before, I know how exciting and nerve wracking it can be to participate in Sports Day. But I also know that it's an incredible opportunity to learn valuable lessons like determination, discipline, and the importance of teamwork. So, to all our young athletes, I say give it your best shot, try new things, support your teammates, and most importantly, enjoy the experience. Before I conclude, I would like to thank our school for organizing this fantastic event. Your hard work and dedication to our education and well being are truly appreciated. So let's get ready to rumble and let the games begin. Thank you. And let's make this a sports day to remember.
Thank you, Jennifer. You were awesome.
Like it has been 8 years, exciting learning experience, not only for us and our kids too. Like seeing our kids grow and learn while having fun learning was made us kids so enjoyable and happening that our kids could love to come to school happily. And Maple Beer has nurtured our kids so well that our elder daughter Jennifer has no difficulty in adjusting to the school and the outside world. And they are so confident and assured about themselves. No doubt, Maple Beer was a great help in admission to Standard 1. We thank you, Maple Beer team, Manjri ma'am, the coordinator sirs, and all the wonderful teachers and all the moshis. Thank you. We're very grateful and we are very thankful for understanding us, loving us, and can't imagine that we have been with you complete 8 years, and this is the last. Yeah, thank you so much for your kindness. Yeah.
I am Swati Khandelwal, Ayansh Khandelwal's mom. First of all, I would like to say that we are very grateful that both our kids are the part of Maple Bear. And I would like to thank you, the entire team of Maple Bear, Manjari ma'am, teachers, and the entire staff for bringing a holistic development in our child. I would like to appreciate the innovative ideas they have came up with, like reading party, Diwali diya decoration and selling, and Ramayana play. These activities have helped the young minds to explore the outside world with a different perspective, and it has given a courage and a confidence to all the kids to deal the strangers. Coming to this pressurizing on inculcating the habit of reading, it's just amazing. I have seen Ayansh, what I would say, the hunger and the learning attitude. Every day now he reads a story and sleeps. Also, I would like to say that Maple Bear team have given an answer of how and why we should select an appropriate school for our kids for a bright future. At last, I would like to say, children are like the wet cement. Whatever we throw on them, it puts an impression of it. And Maple Bear have given a perfect impression to start a beautiful career for their educational life. Thank you so much.
afternoon. I thanks to the Mapper Bear team and the teachers and the coordinator sirs. When we enter for the school first time Darsh into the Maple Bear, we have selected a best choice for him. We have started his career as a with Maple Bear. We will think like we kept him in a daycare as well. We enrolled for the daycare. So first of all, we were just as a thought like why we are keeping him in a daycare. But now I am really think like as per his development in the daycare, we think like we have a right decision now. And his reading ability, we compare each and every student, he is really best while he is reading. So we are just thank you ma'am and thank you teacher, what our efforts they have given for building this child. Thank you ma'am. Thank you.
I'm not going to say thanks to ma'am. I want to tell you a story, a small story of my son Shivai. This story started around 3 years back when we were searching for a school, and it was just post-COVID. And my kid was not used to playing with kids, always surrounded with us, elder to him, all of that. I still remember day one when we came, Manjari ma'am was there. We were not pretty sure. We were waiting in the cabin where Manjari ma'am used to sit, watching video, everything we were doing there. And cut today, if we see, Shivai has been a very confident boy. The improvement which he has shown is tremendous. Today wherever we go, he made us proud. He make us proud all the time, and that could not be possible without the support and guidance of Manjari ma'am. So if I say thanks, it doesn't, put across in a right way. I just want to say as a parent, we got another parent in Manjari ma'am and her team. They have been very supportive, very kind, and trust me, Maple Bear is not going to let you go just like that. Even when we are looking for admission in class 1, more than us, Manjari ma'am was apprehensive, and she was keep calling me saying, don't behave like that, Manish, go, you have to do all that. So just want to say thank you, ma'am. Hopefully, Shivai, not so happy that you do not have primary school as of now, otherwise we would have never let you leave like that. But thank you so much for your help and guidance. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. So the journey for Riddhis is, I would say, is very nice and good. So when we started first time in toddler after post-COVID, so it was like, okay, I have to go. So Manjari ma'am was there like, no ma'am, she will be fine. Manjari ma'am is there always to help us, to support us, to guide us. And because of her, we are getting the good confidence and good, I can say, like support, like no, she will be there and she will do it. So thanks ma'am for that. And afterwards we have started with daycare also. So in daycare also, we have seen a tremendous changes in Riddhis. Like Manjari ma'am used to tell, Maple Bear is for confident, building an attitude. And yes, I really, मतलब उन्होंने वो fulfill करके दिखाया 100%. My daughter is full confident and she is able to talk with anyone, and she has that confidence because of Manjari ma'am and the team's effort, daycare ma'ams and everyone. And coming to the admission part, yes, without Manjari ma'am's help and support, this could not be possible. And we got the admission process very easily and successfully. Thank you, Manjari ma'am, for that. Thanks a lot.
Good evening. So first, I would like to thank you for Maple Bear team for giving an opportunity to express my gratitude about the journey of Shubh Deshmukh in Maple Beer. Shubh has started his journey from playgroup to SKG in Maple Beer. So what we liked in Maple Beer, the way of teaching, conducting various activities in whole year and periodically, mentoring periodically. We appreciate maintaining constant enthusiasm for celebrating festivals in whole year and teaching the meaning of those festivals to children. We would like to share our recent experience when we went to take an admission for first grade in new school. We were worried about Shubh can do in admission, how he can do the admission, exam and an interview. But he answered all questions by reading himself confidently. So this is only because of Maple Beer, teachers, Manjari Madam and directors of school who have created a solid foundation for the lifelong learning development. So thank you once again. Thank you once again, Manjari Madam.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय भारत माता की